And we begin with development in local news as New York State Governor Kathy Hochul and New York City Mayor Eric Adams unveiled a collaborative agenda aimed at revitalizing the historic Kingsbridge Armory located right here in our borough. Governor Hochul stated, quote, "Never before has there been this unprecedented collaboration between the city, state, and community pursuit of one vision, as the city and state are contributing $100 million each to the project." Now, according to Deputy Mayor for Economic and Workforce Development, Maria Torres Springer, the city aims to commence construction on the Armory by 2027. While specific plans for the Armory's transformation are still in development, the city plans to release proposal requests in the upcoming month. Originally established as a military facility in 1917, the Kingsbridge Armory's sprawling 860,000 square feet of space has largely remained unused over the years. Mayor Adams adds that the transformation can create opportunities for Bronx residents by generating more than 1,800 jobs and up to $10 billion in economic impact. Well, it's that time of the year again, back to school. Parents and children are gearing up for the upcoming school year in September. They can also look forward to a series of exciting back-to-school pop-up events taking place in various locations across the Bronx. One notable event is set to take place at the mall. Bay Plaza it is. The Mall of Bay Plaza is hosting a free health expo and a back-to-school supplies giveaway on Friday, August the 18th, from 12 to 6 p.m. Now, the event promises to offer an enriching experience and a range of entertainment options for both children and parents. Attendees can anticipate music, dance parties, along with, a chance to adorn themselves with glitter tattoos as well as balloons. Now, to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone, children must be accompanied by an adult through the duration of the event. It's also worth noting, if you're interested in getting tickets for the event, they can be obtained from guest services. Well, that's all the time we have for our Bronx updates. We are taking a quick break, but we do have more open coming up right after this.